Just taking a quick look at Vechain on the daily time frame then. As we can see, still looking okay on the daily time frame. Really nice price going up. Things go up, people are happy. As we can see, obviously, we've had a very nice pickup of the lows, as I said, broken out of our big accumulation of the bear market, the break of the first Fibonacci level, the perfect back test of the 0.23 at 2.7 cents, as I've mentioned before. Obviously, the back test as well of the 100 moving average. A lovely break above our bear market resistance, as you can see here, looking very good indeed for continuation heading up through our Fibonacci levels. Breaking up above the 0.38 Fibonacci level as well. And really since then putting in a little bit of a range. You can see on the hourly time frame here, really we've just been going sideways, doing something like this. Back testing that 0.38 Fibonacci level continuously, I would say. For the past week or so, we've had another little back test yesterday, with Bitcoin obviously having a fairly significant rejection at its all-time highs. As you would expect, a lot of volatility. When you see volatility for Bitcoin, alts usually dump a significant amount more as well. So you can see here for Vechain, the volatility has obviously rubbed off on its price action. Really just going sideways though, looking pretty good to me. Holding support really well at that previous fib level. And really looking like it wanted to come down and back test that previous swing, which it looks like it might have just about done, to be fair. And really it's just looking like it's going to be heading up pretty soon, in my opinion. With Bitcoin looking like it's barely been rejected, to be honest, at its all-time high. If we see Bitcoin breaking above and going into full price discovery above 70-ish K, we are going to see Vechain heading up as well, in my opinion. As you can see quite clearly here, we are basically getting into the bull market now. You can see all the signs are there, breaking out of your bear market resistance, as you can see. Starting to head up through your Fibonacci levels, as you often do, going into that next bull market for cryptos. And we've got a lot of open air and open space here, and not many resistances for Vechain. We've obviously got this 10-cent area near the 618 Fibonacci, which is obviously a big pivot point in the market, but really not that many resistances to get through for Vechain, in my opinion. And really these Fibonacci levels do tend to melt like butter once altcoins do start to fly. Right now everything looking super bullish, in my opinion. Bitcoin looking like it's barely dipping right now. The demand is pretty crazy for Bitcoin, so we're going to see what happens next with that. Right now feeling very good and confident about how Vechain is looking. Really strong considering how weak it looked during the bear market, to be honest. Really no signs of anyone really pumping the price, but recently it has started to come into its own over the past few months, and I'd probably expect some more continuation of that, with Bitcoin looking like it's coming into a new all-time high era pretty damn soon. We did come up and make a new all-time high, I believe, before the big rejection, but it's looking like Bitcoin might be entering, you know, some really good price discovery before the halving, which is going to be absolutely wild. So we'll see what happens next, but I think alts are going to do really well this year. So let's see what we can do.